Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. I'm a swing trader, which is essentially a reversal trader. Today we're going to talk about LYFT. I think it's going to reverse soon. And the option strategy I'm going to use is selling puts. So let's get started. This is stock ticker LYFT, LYFT. And you can see that for quite some time it's been in a downward trend. And this is a zigzag indicator. It plots those tops and bottoms perfectly, but it does that by looking at future data. So you can't use it to trade. But I use it to plot Fibonacci, and I'm expecting LYFT to reverse and probably go 15 or 16. The zero lag MACD is saying that it should go up. The RSI, which when it's below the 30, indicates that it should reverse. And this is the TTM squeeze, and I like to see when it's around the zero line. But it's in a downward fading type situation, and it has not reversed yet. This is a popular stock. Everybody seems to be trading it, and they like to use options on this particular stock. As I just said, I think that LYFT is going to reverse soon. And you can see it's been in a downward trend, and I think it's going to reverse. So that's long. It is undervalued by 52%. Oh, that's 59%. That's 60%. Earnings are forecast to grow, wow, 66% over the next year. Earnings have grown 23% over the last 5 years. It's trading at a good value amongst its peers. And most of the analysts are in agreement that it should rise by a whopping 44% over this next year. That's all good signs saying that it should go up. According to the future cash flow technique for evaluation, the current price is $13.58, but it should be trading at 33. That's nearly 3 times what it's trading at now. The blue line is revenue growth, and this is earnings growth. And while we would like to see the earnings growth a little more sloped upward, revenue is right on the money. We want to see that line go up like that. Assets and liabilities, not too bad. And the long term, that's what you really want to see. Assets more than liabilities. And as I didn't say, I thought everybody knew, but LYFT is a ride-sharing type company. So I think all signs point to it a rise. I just don't know when. The fundamentals are good for this stock, and I just don't know when. So I think if there's a reversal going to happen right about here, can we find a option strategy that will, at the end of the next month or two, end up in this area here, 13, 14, or 15. Well, using a software package called Option Strat and going out to August, which is 52 days, and selling a 14 put, we received a credit in our pocket immediately of $131 with about $300 in margin. Now the max loss here is quite high, but that is when you get assigned the stock. And we worked to not to get assigned. And if you don't get assigned, your max profit that you can make on this is $131. This is the playing field here. So if it goes up to 13 or 14 or 15, if it's say $15, anytime after the day, we can make about $50 on an investment or risk capital of around $300. And that's about 15%. The break even is $12.69. Break even $12.69. So a little profit icon here, and we go down to $12.69, somewhere right in here. That's our break even. So long as this stock stays above $12.69 in this area here, we're going to make a profit of $50 or more. Of course, you can take profit anytime. And this is based on the assumption that this is going to reverse. Of course, it could keep going down, and you're going to lose some money. If it goes down to $12, you're going to lose about $90. See that? $90. In this area here, it's going to lose about $90. So this is your risk area. But it hasn't been in this area for quite some time, since February. So in conclusion, I think it's going to reverse in the next 52 days. If it goes up by 23%, the target price of this is $17. But I said, hey, most likely it's going to be $15 or so. And currently this trade is winning. And if you use this strategy along with some other strategy, option strategies, your expected profit for this is about $112. And then there's some other recent ones that I have out there. And currently the riot long went the other way. I'm currently losing, but I have some time on that yet. And if you take your profits and losses, you want to try to be about 60%. In other words, win 2 and lose 1. I'm expecting at the moment to have $250 profit. And if you use stop losses, profit targets throughout, you can reduce your risk. And that's the name of the game, reducing your risk. Well, that's the trade. I think it's going to reverse. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember, do not ever follow a random guy on the internet. Do this research and analysis yourself. Make your own decisions. Be comfortable. Learn how to do it. If you do, you'll have a skill that you can use for the rest of your life. LYFT. Long, 52 days out. Let's see what happens. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.